Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing half moon manicure and I will be using the 786 brand Halal nail polishes. These nail polishes are vegan and they're not tested on animals. They don't have any peeling or anything like that, so I will tell you my honest opinion in the video. But we will be doing one of my favorite manicures, which is half moon manicure. It's very easy to do and turns out so pretty. So let's get started. First off, you will need something that is going to be your base, and I picked out this beautiful golden color. I just love it. I love this gold by 786 because it's actually very true to gold. It's not like yellow gold. I don't like yellow gold. This one is very pretty and you can see that on the video. What I also love about this nail polish is that it dries so fast. 786 Cosmetics, they do not produce ordinary nail polish. I have never used this before, and they have like formula that it's water permeable, which means that water can penetrate through nail polish, which is pretty awesome. You can read more about it on their website, which I will have linked in the description box below. I always love finding out brands that are vegan, that are different, because I love learning about different sides of nail polish world and everything that it has to offer. I feel like everything is so different these days and we have so many options for people all over the world. So I was so happy to find out about this brand, and when they asked me do I want to test it out, I absolutely said yes, because I have never used anything like that in my life. So that's pretty awesome. You only need like 2 coats and honestly it dries so fast. When you apply your base for this manicure, it has to be fully dry before you move to the next step. So please have that in mind. If you don't have this fully dry, you will smudge your whole manicure and you will ruin it. So then you would have to start all over, and we don't want to start all over. I'm going to pick up my favorite shade ever, which is white. Is that weird? I love a white nail polish. It's most used nail polish in my collection. It's basically like you're painting your nails again, but this time you're like allowing space between cuticles. You can see it here, and the base has to be fully dry before you move to this step, so keep that in mind. Also, if you have to add a second coat of white nail polish, you have to wait for this white that you just apply to dry a little, because if you try to apply it, it will ruin the manicure. So that's my experience with it. So see, by now this is pretty easy to do. It doesn't take any special like talents. You don't need any tools or anything like that to do this design. That's why I love it. And you can do it in different variations. You can have a different colors or anything that your heart desires. So that's why I picked out these colors, because I really like gold and I like white. You can see me applying a second coat of white just to make it more opaque, and I usually apply 2 coats of any color. So once you're done with applying white nail polish, we're going to top it out with some top coat. I love having my nails glossy. It's my favorite thing. If you want to have it some different way, you can definitely make a white matte, and the gold part you can leave just gold, and that will be awesome. I have done that in the past, and if you want to see like different variations, please give this video a thumbs up so that I know that I can do like maybe different variations. Maybe you guys will like that. But I love this manicure. It's so easy to do, and people always ask me, how did you do it, or where did you get your nails done? I usually get the question, where did you get your nails done, and people don't believe that these are my actual nails. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up because it means a lot to me that you guys like my videos, and also leave me a comment below because I love reading your feedback. Check out 786 Cosmetics, and I will talk with you in my other video. Bye.